Okay. Hi, Jomel. Hindi MC Tots, live yung ano namin, live yung, what do you call this? Live yung classes namin. Pero i-record yung live class para doon sa mga kagaya ni Ara na like, si Ara nga ba yun, yung, dito ko titignan. Si Astro pala, kagaya ni Astro, may work siya, so hindi talaga siya makaka-attend. Pwede naman yun. Yes, Joe Shop. Pwedeng magdala ng classmate. Yun pala yung hindi ko pa na-chika. So, si Top VIP, pwede kayong magsama ng isang classmate para mag-join dun sa live class for free. Every single class. So, halimbawa mag-jowa kayo, gusto nyo isama yung jowa nyo sa SEO class, ganun. Pwede nyo siyang isama. Sabi ni MC Tots, kasi madam working ako sa BPO today and I'm currently talking to my customer. Sige, go for it. Yung classes natin ranges between like 2 hours hanggang 8 hours. Depende kung aling class. Ang mangyayari nun, after ma-verify yung payment ninyo, makaka-receive kayo ng makaka-receive kayo ng $10 credit. Change. Makaka-receive kayo ng welcome kit to explain the whole process. Hi, love. Aling class? Tuloy-tuloy naman yung class namin so far. Each month, merong 1 to 2 classes per, bakit yun? Bakit? Shit ka. Bakit kulang pa din? 44. Sorry, so wait lang, nag-ano tayo. So, every month, may 1 to 2 classes na, may 1 to 2 classes na session, live session. So, yun. No, guys, to enroll, para to secure your spot, you have to click the link sa bio ko. Tapos, ayun pa nga nasa Facebook. Naka-live din ako sa TikTok, yun yung sinasagot ko. So, to secure your spots for the top VIP, i-click nyo lang yung link sa bio ko. Tapos makikita nyo under open classes, meron dong nakasulat na, kita talaga yung paa ni Popski sa live. Okay lang yung maganda naman yung paa ng asawa ko. Maybe, kita yung paa mo sa live. Kita yung paa mo sa live. Okay lang, okay lang. O gusto mong switch ka sa kabila? Sa kama ko. Ha? Okay lang naman, maganda naman yung paa mo. Pwede yung pan-display. So, yun yung sinasabi ko. To secure the spots for, mali yung English ko. To secure your spot for the top VIP, click yung link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos, makikita nyo doon yung open classes. Right under that, yung, 1999 top VIP all access pass. Anong oras yung live sessions? Iba-iba eh. mostly weekends, yung ibang classes nag-start ng 8 a.m., yung iba hapon. Makaka-receive kayo ng calendar invite para doon sa schedule. Wait lang guys, sorry ha, kailangan ko kasi gawin itong mga tasks. In-depth lahat ng classes namin. Ang pinakang overview namin, yung tinatawag namin na level 1, which is yung revamp. But level 2 and level 3, pareho ng in-depth yun. Tapos, guys, take note, SMM, June ang ano nun na, June pa yung class nun kasi, bakit di ko makita? Shoot up. June pa ang start ng SMM. Gano'ng katagal yung duration ng mga training sessions? Between 2 hours hanggang 8 hours. 2 to 8 hours. Depende kung aling class. Tapos one-on-one, you have to go through a process kasi after nung live session nyo, most of the level 2 and level 3 classes is 8 hours siya total. Ngayon, yung after nung live classes ninyo, pag merong internship yung class na yon, sa internship muna kayo. Pagkatapos nung internship na 2 weeks, saka naman yung, pagkatapos ng 2 weeks, saka naman yung application book, tuturuan kayo kung paano mag-apply. Pagkatapos, saka yung final activity, which is yung mock interview, may sasubmit kayo, saka pa lang yung certification. Yung one-on-one, nangyayari siya during mock interview. And araw walang one specific path when it comes to like kung anong mauunang ituro. Depende sa schedule ng class. But for top VIP, ito yung lahat halos ng to, kasama including yung mga papasok namin na classes. Yes, may internship din siya. Kasama rin yun sa program. Hi, Jen. How are you, Bia? Yes, Joe. 1 year exacto. Mag-expire. You're welcome. Ay, may pa-heart. Thanks, Kel. Shit ka, parang na ano yung ngalangal ako. Dali, magka-candy ako. Hold on tight. Sumasakit yung lalamunan ko. Ay, ang daming paregalo ni Kel. Panalo ka dyan, B. Thank you. Gusto ko yung sagot ni Jan dito, doing so fine. Uy, ang cute! Ang ganda nun. Ang cute na pop, ang ganda ng mga nila sa TikTok. If mag-avail po ba ng training, mauunang internship before mock interview? Yes, she. Record nila ako guys ha. Masakit muna ko. Hindi, Joe. Pwedeng iba-iba yung kasama mo. Pero isang classmate lang per class ang pwede mong dalhin. Ang inspiration niyan is yung mga mentee namin before na lahat na lang ng open classes, inenrollan. Sa ano, yun lang yung difference nun. Yung classmate nyo, hindi na sila kasama sa internship, sa mock interview certification. Pang inyo lang yun. O baka may questions kayo na ano ha, about bukod dun sa training. Anything about working from home, feel free to ask. Sasagutin ko siya isa-isa. Magtanong na kayo ngayon kasi minsan biglang dumadami yung tao, ang dami nung questions sunod-sunod. Nabagal ako sumagot. Kasi iniisa-isa ko yung mga questions. Nag-switch na si Popski kasi sa Facebook walang background. Kita talaga yung paa niya dito. O siya, magtrabaho na tayo. Huwag niyo akong gawing TV. Just to make sure na clear tayo, Rose, doon. Kasi yung iba, ang ina-expect nila pag nag-enroll sila, is bibigyan sila ng clients. Tuturuan kayo kung paano maghanap ng clients, but we're not gonna give you clients, ha? Yun yung difference doon. Tuturuan kayo, hindi tutulungan. Kasi like, when you say tutulungan, like, bibigyan, diba? Yun. Para clear tayo doon. We never promise na magkakaroon kayo ng clients if you enroll. If anyone promises you that, sabihin niyo sa akin para ano na rin lang ako sa kanila. Hi, anak! How are you, Tutoy? Thank you, Rose. Nak, bakit gising ka pa? Bakit nawala? Interesting. Hi, Mixie Pinky. This is where kalat happens. Yes, Manon, very much so. The Twitter is where the kalat happens. Ka-follow ba kayo sa akin sa Twitter? Wala kang pasok, Totoy? Ay, oras na. Bilis naman ang schedule ko. Oras na lang ng tulog ko. Ba yun? French. Sa panahon na i-stress. Chika is my source of energy. Feeling ko talaga pagsakan ko na lang ng unfiltered words yung anong yun. Yung Twitter ko. Mga hindi pwedeng makita ng ibang tao. Oo, ganun lang yan. Para mag-isip yung mga tao kung sino yung letter B, kung sino yung letter A, gano'n. Sino yung letter M. Hi, Rika! You're welcome. Wait, nag-alarm ng aking Wait lang. Hoy, mag-power tap kayo. Buhayin yung Gino, live talaga ako kahapon. Twice. Oh, proud sa sarili. Twice. At saka live din ako ngayon sa Facebook ko, diba? Malibre man naman ako skin, nanghihina na ako. Hindi ko talaga kasalanan ng hihina ka. Baka naman mahina ka lang talaga nila lang. Charot. Love you. Wait lang guys ha. Kasi nakahanap ng mga files. Nagkakabay na naman ang aso sa labas. My goodness. Hi, Cam Clothing. Ano sabi ni Manon? Konti lang naman tayo. Give a little context kay Ateng. Si Ateng ay dumaan lang sa feed ko. Nagpo-promote siya ng mga other content creators. Tapos yung mga pinomote niya, yung basta talaga nung pinomote niya, yun yung mga ekis sa akin. So yun, pinost ko. Magkano ba budget nito? Oh, pasok sa budget. Let's do... Good morning, Queen Prince Gail. Pag i-check ba legit na 4 to 7 days bago makomplete sa PayPal yan? O matagal sa PayPal lang i-check? Kahit kailan matagal ang PayPal. Gagalit. Hi, Arnest, si Stanley, si Joylyn nanonood sa Facebook. May Facebook, magtanong kayo ha. Baka may questions kayo dyan. Pag na-miss ko, babalikan ko. Promise. Oh, yan. Pack. Never ka magsisisi pag nag-enroll ka sa training ni Vloggy Mary. Ay, Ram, i-screenshot ko to. Oh, what you? Oh, pack. Parang kilala ko na pre-nomote ba si E? Sino si D? Sino D? Shoota, napaisip ako yun. Sino Demi? Hindi ko kilala si Demi. Shoota ka man. Sino yun? Sino Demi? Kasama sa tinagyo. Sino Demi? Hindi ko kilala yung Demi. Sino, napaisip naman ako. Hi Ram, I miss you. Napapaisip ako. Shoota ka man, hindi ko yata may chika. I-chika mo yan. Sana magkaroon kayo ng property manager. Ano talaga, B? Ang property management is under, Ryan Molorensky, Demi Course. Sino si Demi, B? Demi Course? Anong sa search ko, Demi Course? Ay, hindi ako makakano, B. For the screenshot ng person ngayon. Sabi nung mataray. Hindi yan yun. Hindi ko kilala si Demi. Hindi nga, anong isa-search ko kay Demi? Hindi ko kilala yung Demi, B. Grabe yung pangalan ng mga nasa Facebook ko. Ito, hi Aldram, si Axel John. Tapos meron si Totoy Mola is watching. Gulat ka. Parang hindi. Parang hindi naman yan yung nakatag. Pag nagbigay ng client ng bonus ko this Feb, mag-enroll ako, sana umabot. Feb, sigurado ko din naaabot yun. Pero sa March ka na, kasunod kang batch, ganun. Hindi naman nawawala yan, hanggang buhay ako. Kaya panalangin yung tumagal pa ang buhay ko. Taga wait lang, magsasend lang ako ng proposal. Man, hindi yan yun. Hindi yun. Hindi ko nga kilala yung Demi eh. Sino yung Demi? May chismis ba doon? So, tayo yung sinasabi ko, chismis na lumalapit sa akin eh. Hindi ko siya knows. Iba-iba yun. Teka, wait lang ha. Kailangan ko lang maano to. Yes, may certificate siya. Pero I am Blay. Sana tama ang pronunciation ko. Never pa ako nahinga ng certificate as umikot pala yung Never pa ako nahinga ng certificate as a freelancer. Heads up lang yun, ha? O siya, bye, Manon. Pero pag gamit ng chika mo kung sino yung ha? Kung ano iso-search ko. Hi guys! Dami ding na-drop by sa sa Facebook. Si Randy Roy, si Kiefer, si Christian, si Maribel, si Juver. Dito naman si June hindi ko nakikita yung Lovely Marie. Kanina, nag-live ako sa alam niyo, nag-live ako kanina sa Nag-live ako kanina sa Facebook, gamit ito ng iPad, which is gamit ko ngayon sa TikTok. Ngayon, hindi ko kita dun yung pangalan ng mga nagjo-join. Pero ngayon, dito sa phone, kita ko na. Like si Lailani, si Donnelly, nandito. Sa YouTube dati, siguro 2 years ago, nagla-live ako dun. Pero, very, very quick lang, like mga 30 minutes, ganyan. Tapos parang last year, nakapag-live din ako ng Bahagya. Tatry ko bukas. Plus po kasi for me, panglagay sa portfolio, CV, and LinkedIn. Ang portfolio mo should not have your certificates. Portfolio should answer the question, what would me as a client, what would my journey be like if I hire you? Yun na may para sa akin lang. Iba-iba naman kasi yung interpretation natin when it comes to creating portfolio. Isa pa, since ako ay nasa operations management, administrative, tsaka support ang pinoprovide ko, hindi ako hiningan ng portfolio. Never pa rin ako nahingan ng portfolio. Meron nung isa, nag-a-apply ako ng Opsman, tapos hinihingan ako ng portfolio. Like, bakit? Hindi naman creatives yung papasukin ko. May portfolio ako para doon sa mga creatives client, pero kung Opsman, hindi. Meron po bang graphics design na VA? Yes, graphics design. Freelancer. Sa e-commerce po ba ng expert sa ads? Sorry, ulit, Noblesse, paayos ako nung question, hindi ko naintindihan, mahal. Teka, may alam ko may nagtanong dito sa ano ko eh. Wala pala, mahal. May napasok ko lang. Media buying is separate sa e-commerce virtual assistants. Although, kaano sila sa digital marketing, like pair. Pero, yung class namin, media buying is hiwalay sa e-commerce virtual assistants. Hello, Janjan, si Jake, si Nanita. Ang dami napasok kung anong meron. Okay guys, power tap tayo. 34 na kayo, nakalampas na tayo sa 30. Power tap kayo, dali. Power tap is tuloy-tuloy nyo lang na ipapress yung screen. May lalabas na heart dito sa side na to. Tapos dito sa bandang taas, may lalabas na parang banner. Pag yung banner na puno, magko-confetti yan. Makikita nyo yung confetti. It's so pretty. Also, don't forget to share yung mga live natin para makarating dun sa mga interesadong mag-work from home. Wait lang. Nag-work talaga si Bakla. Nalito ako bigla. Para doon sa mga interesadong mag-work from home. Kayo po mismo ayun. So, sa e-commerce po ba need ng expertise sa ads? No. If e-commerce virtual assistant ka, for the most part, support yung ipoprovide mo. If magra-run ka ng ads, ang tawag na doon is media buyer. Nini, hindi ako mismo yung magtuturo. Meron tayo mga mentors na sila yung expert dun sa field dito sa mga to. After nun, yung application book kung paano mag-apply ako na yan. Nag-outsource po kayo? No. Recommended upscaling course for bookkeeping VA. Currently a bookkeeper VA. Have you tried Opsman? Operations management. Nini, we don't give out clients. We don't promise na kapag nag-join kayo sa training, bibigyan namin kayo ng clients because unang magiging problem nyo doon, paano kung halimbawa lang in a perfect world, bigyan ko kayo ng client after the training. Pag nawala yung client na yon, paano kayo hahanap ng bago? So instead, ang ginagawa namin is tuturuan namin kayo kung paano maghanap ng client. Bakit ako namumutla? Love, namumutla ba ako sa personal? Hindi, okay. Lagyan nga natin ng lipstick. Akala ko namumutla na ako. Ay, may nagpapa-confetti. Sino yung nagpapa-confetti? Let me know pag nakita niyo yung confetti. Ang cute nun. Maglalagay ako ng lipstick ng konti kasi para akong namumutla sa video. Di man ako maputlas. Ayan. Oh. Ayan na. Maglalagay na rin ako ng blush on bilang nandito na rin naman ako sa biya. Nagkakulay tayo. Yon. So, gusto ko, ang pinakang process natin sa training is, unang goal nyo talaga is sustainability. I've been in the industry since 2009. Gusto kong ma-experience nyo rin, hindi lang yung mag-multiple clients, hindi lang yung yumaman. Diba? Kasi karaniwang goal naman gusto maging freelancer. Ay, wait lang, may call si Popski. Hold on tight.
Would you mind sharing a bit about your lawn and what are you looking to achieve?
Ay, may question. Ito, nakita ko yung question dito sa Facebook. Hold on. Reva class is this coming Sunday. RG. May nakita ako sa, dati may Amazon courses pa po ba? Yes, meron pa. May Amazon pa. Tingnan nyo lang sa page ko.
Not a problem.
Wait lang guys, may call lang si Popski. Pakinggan nyo siya.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Is this Cameron? Alright, may I have your last name, please? So, Cameron, just so you know, our mowing prices are determined by...
Ang blay-blay nung account na hawak ng hobby mo.
Address 2314 Cheney Lane in Humble, Texas, 77339. Alright. Now, I would like to take a moment to learn more about your lawn care.
Hindi nyo si Popski.
Together we can come up with a plan to provide you the perfect solution, okay? Now, you mentioned that we are using the front yard, so can you describe the extent of your leaf coverage? Oh, okay. Okay. So, alright, so the entire front yard is covered with leaves. Alright, so definitely we need to do a leaf cleanup first before we can do a mowing, okay? Because we won't be able to just mow and mulch over those leaves. Alright. Okay, and yeah, aside from having the leaves cleaned up and having the grass cut, what other issues have you noticed in the yard that you'd like us to focus on?
Kinig ba si Popski? Oh, ayan. Coach Potato, nandiyan ka na. Akit ka, Coachy.
Oh, okay. Okay, sounds good. And how about bushes? How do you handle your bushes? No bushes? Oh, okay, that's good. Alright, and how did you find out about this? Google. Okay. Alright, that's good, sounds good. So, Cameron, for the sake of your time, let's see first if we have a crew available in your area, okay? Please stay on the line.
Andiyan si Coach. Wait lang, Coach, yeah. Hold on tight. Hindi ako makapagpapasok. May call si Popski.
Alright, so Cameron, it looks like we do have a crew available in your area. So I'm going to take a moment while I wait on the price to let you know about a couple of policies that will be important for you. And I'll have the price and the scheduling information for you in just a minute, okay? Hello? Alright. Okay. So Cameron, for the mowing, we have a 3-cut minimum. So you're only committing to 3 cuts. And if at any point after the 3 cuts you want to cancel, just let us know at least 48 hours before the next scheduled cut, okay? Alright, and just so you know, our lawn mowing services includes mowing, basic
Thank you for sharing the live,
pulling off
Denver.
the paved surfaces, weed whacking or weed eating is also included, and we also offer you a free mobile app and web login where you can request additional landscape services, make any change to your account, and it's the fastest way to reach out to our support team for questions. So, okay, so this... Now, this time of the year, we offer or we provide bi-weekly and monthly mowing services. Now, the cost for our bi-weekly mowing is going to be $39.20. Now, this is just for the front yard, okay? You said that you just need the service for the front yard, right? Okay. And for our monthly mowing is going to be the same, $39.20, plus a $2.99 trust and safety fee per visit. So, yeah, you said that you wanted to sign up for a monthly mowing, correct? Okay. All right, no problem. And, yeah, just so you know, if in any case you see that the grass is growing much faster than usual, you can always change or update your mowing frequency anytime. Just let us know at least 48 hours before the next scheduled cut, okay? Yes, sir. Let me just check that for you. But yeah, while we're checking on that, if I may ask, who normally handles your yard care? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Okay. And when was the last time you had the grass cut? Okay. And right now, would you say the grass is over 6 inches or under 6 inches tall? Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I see. Okay. Okay. That's good. Now, the reason I asked if the grass is over 6 inches is because we would assess a fee of up to the amount of the mowing price. And if the lawn is over 12 inches, we submit for you to approve. Sure. Does that make sense? So, yeah, I just want to make you aware of the grass fee policy so there will be no.
No, Joey Tech, hindi mo kailangan magbayad ng oras para makapag-start na mag-work from home.
Have someone out to your property within the early 2-day window of Friday or Saturday or Sunday rather.
Yung class na offer namin is for upscaling.
Does that work?
Tsaka yung mga kailangan ng guidance para mag-start. Pero kung kaya na maghanap ng kayo lang, go for it.
Okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the leaf removal. Yes, sir. Okay. So for the leaf removal, you just need it for the front yard, right? Okay. And would you like the crew to remove leaves from flower beds? Okay. And what type of debris needs to be removed? Dry leaves, wet leaves, twigs and branches? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. And would you like the crew to get the debris hauled and disposed, or just bag them and leave them by the curb? Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. Yep, absolutely. No problem. Alright, so for the leaf removal,
Hi, Mami
it's gonna be
Ladi.
$86
Si Mami Ladi na sa ano.
to clean
Sa
up
Facebook.
the leaves in the front yard and pending your
Para kailangan ko lang
have the leaf removal completed or scheduled to be completed on the same on the first cut, same day as the first cut, Saturday or Sunday, January 27th to the 28th. So yeah, do I have your approval to add the service?
Hi, Mami Lads. Kaya nasa call si Popsicles.
Yeah, around.
Nakalive din ako sa TikTok very,
around
very
from
quick.
the first cut.
Pero nagtulong na yung alarm ko. Kailangan ko na matulog. Kulang na kulang ako sa tulog, May.
Alright, sounds good. Now, if we're able to find a crew that can knock the lawn out a day earlier, would
Suta.
you be
Ngayon pa
interested?
pala yung summit.
Okay. And what if the crew does decide? Yeah, go ahead. Oh yeah, I was just asking. I was just gonna ask if the crew does decide that they would like to come out a day later than the scheduled cut to make the best use of their time. Would that be okay with you? Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. Now, you said that you're also looking to get treatment service in the future, right?
Lumipat si Mami Ladi sa sa TikTok.
Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. The reason I ask is, just so you know, we also offer lawn treatment services. So our lawn treatment package includes fertilization, weed control, and pre-emergent. So basically, this will help keep the grass healthy and green while killing existing weeds and preventing new weeds from sprouting up. And for best results, the service is delivered in 8 rounds of treatment per cycle, typically every 4 to 6 weeks. And
Thank you, Mami
the first
Lads.
cycle, or
Hindi ako makachika
the
masyado,
cycle
girl.
will
Ang
start
dami.
this February.
Tagal na ko
And
yung
the price for each application is going to be $99.75. So yeah, I was just wondering if you'd like to try out our lawn treatment services. Well, yeah, you will actually not be charged until February or until the first application, and again, the cycle will start on February. All right, not a problem, not a problem. But if you do change your mind, just let us know. The program provides lawn protection. The program provides lawn protection during the key stages of growth at the right time of the year to secure a weed-free lawn. Okay. Now you mentioned that there are no bushes. And aside from having your grass cut and the leaf removal, in most areas we also offer free quotes on additional services such as scrub treatment, lawn disease treatment, mosquito prevention, and much more. So would you like me to check these?
So, question, Clycie, paano po mag-start to mag-work from home lalo na walang experience with this? Question, may other experience ka ba? Have you ever traded time for money or experience?
So now, Cameron, may I have your email address, please?
Wait, hold on. Nurse, pwede ka mag-healthcare VA, Beb.
Alright, so just to verify, I have your email address here as treyk93@gmail.com.
Andito ako, nag-vape lang ako.
That'll be spelled as T for Tom, R for Romeo, A for Apple, E for Edward, K for Kite, 93@gmail.com.
Wait lang guys, hold on tight.
Okay, and I also have your mobile phone number here as 28.
Tapos guys, tatandaan nyo, kapag sinabi nyo wala kayong work experience, ibig sabihin natin never pa kayong nag-work ever. So what you wanna do is, halimbawa wala pa kayong work experience as wala pa kayong work experience nung sa bahay lang, remote work. Ang gagawin yung starting point would be yung work nyo sa corporate, kung ano yung ginagawa nyo sa labas. Yun yung i-offer nyo na service. Most po kasi nang hinahanap nila is may experience. Example, sinabi nila naghahanap ng may experience ng customer support. Ang hinahanap nila nun is somebody na may nag-support na ng customers, hindi lang necessarily online or as a remote worker. At saka, tsatsagain nyo talaga kasi it's like finding needle in a haystack na maghahanap ka nung mag-fit sa'yo. Hi Rhea, hi Zap. Dami din napasok pala dito sa Facebook na live, no? Hindi ako masyadong nag-live sa Facebook eh.
Leaf removal, just let us know. Okay, so this is not a continuous service. Okay. All right.
Hindi ko kita pala yung ano. Ayan,
Cameron,
kita ko na.
right now, all I need to get you on the schedule is a method of payment. We accept major credit or debit cards, and we won't charge you until the 3-day quality check is complete or until 3 days after any services are completed. So today, your card serves as a placeholder only. So would you like to after each cut, sir.
If nag-handle ka ng financial,
Alright.
if nag-handle ka ng retail, pwede ka mag-e-commerce. If nag-handle ka ng financial, pwede kang mag-credit repair, pwede kang mag-ano. At saka, bago mo isipin kung anong niche, mag-apply ka muna sa General VA. Gano'n yung diskarte, Kev. I know a lot of people are posting na kailangan alam mo muna yung niche mo, alam mo yung industry mo. While it's good to figure that out sa start, it's good to have a feel din kung ano yung gusto mo talaga. So, wag nyo munang, simulan nyo muna, simulan nyo mag-apply. Lalo na nag-work ka sa BPO, madaling mag-transition. Kasi yung ginagawa natin sa BPO, yun din yung gagawin mo. Except this time, remote worker ka na.
Payment information, so please stay on the line, okay? All right. Yes. Yes, sir. You will send you a link, a text message with a link to the app for you to download it. Okay. So yeah. So once the crew adds the job to their route, you'll receive an email confirming your 2-day window and letting you know what crew picked the job up. And at that point, you can message them directly. You will also receive, again, a text with a link to our app and a temporary password. Your email will be your username. Now, through the app or web portal, remember that you have
Pwede nyo ring, pwede nyo ring itry guys kung mahilig kayo sa numbers. Pwede nyo itry yung mga operations associate, yung inventory management, monitor lang kayo ng sales dashboard, field inquiries, ganun, mga data management, data entry.
And yeah, in your introduction email, you will see a button about recommending us on Nextdoor. If you do this, you will receive anywhere between $10 to $30 credit to your account. So do you have any other questions for me before I let you go? Okay. All right. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. So yeah, do you have any other questions for me?
Grabe, iyan mo yung aso sa labas. Uy guys, mag-follow kayo. Baka chika kayo ng chika dyan. Di pa pala kayo naka-follow ha. Baka makakamiss kayo ng mga latest balita.
That's completely fine if nobody's on. Okay? Alright.
Thank you for following, pal.
If you do have any other questions,
Hi, Bethany.
Cameron, just
Ayan po.
be sure to reach out to our dedicated support team.
Nag-alarm na kailangan oras na daw ng tulog ko.
Customer
Guys,
support,
last 7 minutes to ask your questions. If may questions kayo about working from home, itanong nyo na, sasagutin ko ng isa-isa. Because mag-out na ako ng 7 o'clock. In 7 minutes. 7 o'clock. Magtanong na kayo guys, anything about freelancing, I'll try and answer them. Kasi mamaya pa-out na ako. O may nagpa-power tap pa. Hi Hero, hi Josie. Nandito si Kokoy. Naano na naman ako. Si Denver nagpa-power tap talaga siya. Thank you. Last 6 minutes guys. Magtanong na kayo. Paano po pag meron kang 2 clients tapos gusto nila ilagay sa LinkedIn na employed ka sa kanila? So, you did not advise your client na may iba kang client? Naku po, problem yan. Kasi pagka guys, the thing about freelancing is that you should be able to choose who to work with. But at the same time, communication is key din. You have to let them know na may other clients ka. Pero I don't really think that it will be a problem pagka nilagay mo na employed ka dun sa ganitong company. Kasi freelancer ka naman eh. Unless, eto magiging problema ha. Unless nag-moonlighting, meaning sabay mong ginagawa yung dalawang work, which is unethical. Yun, problema talaga yun. Ayun. Okay lang yung pag ganun, STP, wala dapat problema. Lahat ng hiring, Charmaine, na alam ko, nakaling sa bio ko, hanapin nyo sa free resources, pinakababa, job op, meron nakasulat doon. Job op, hiring, nandun lahat ng hiring. Meron naman I'm Blay, pero I think yung kay Este is, ang problem niya is, yung sa experience part ba, pag nilagay mo na employed, ganon. So baka natatakot siya na makita nung isa't isa, ng dalawang client, yung ganap niya. Last 4 minutes guys, mag-out na ako. At matutulog muna ang kagandahan. Yes, may online shop. Kasama siya. Thank you for following, Francie. That's it. I'm done. Wrap up na tayo. Everyone, sasabayin ko na ha, Facebook and TikTok. Guys, lahat ng gusto nyo malaman about freelancing, I've created so many materials na pwede nyo sundan. Pwede kayo pumunta sa link sa bio ko. Pag click nyo yun, hanapin nyo yung free resources, makikita nyo na doon lahat. Like from, kahit wala pa kayong experience ever, like never pa kayo nag-work, pwede nyo sundan yon. If you mag-enroll, guys, last 15, di ko pa nag-check ulit ha, if may nag-enroll na, but last 15 spots for the top VIP All Access Pass, 199 lang siya. May 1 year na kayo na live access, so makaka-attend kayo sa lahat ng trainings namin, and that includes all of these, plus the new upcoming trainings. Tapos, ano pa ba? Wait, may nakita ko question. Oo. Yes, yun pala yung sasabihin ko. Yes, Koy. If actually meron kami mga mentees na meron talagang corporate work at saka may work ng graveyard or weekends, ganyan. So, definitely you guys will get a copy of the recording. Yung class, wala siyang one specific start time. Kasi halimbawa, nag-enroll kayo ngayon, na-verify na yung payment ninyo, may class ng, example lang to ha, hindi ko sure kung may class ng Saturday, but if may class ng Saturday, kasama na kayo automatic doon. Ngayon ko lang napansin yung haircut mo, napansin na naman, hindi, actually, di ba humaba na siya, di ba pangit nga yung gupit ko nung huli, humaba na siya, pinapapantay ko yan ngayon, kasi pabad trip talaga ako. Hindi ko sinasadya yung pixie cut na yan. Busy lang yung yung stylist ko, papunta na kami ng Cebu, Bohol last year. So, napunta ako sa ibang manggugupit sa nabago talaga ako. So, ngayon, the goal is pantayin na lang siya. Hintayin lang siya na pumantay. In the meantime, ini-enjoy ko na mag-C-shot. Nakakatipid ako sa shampoo. Kasi guys, yung buhok ko sobrang kapal niya. Hindi siya yung makapal na maraming hibla. Makapal yung hibla niya mismo. Pero, I'm just beginning to love it. Tapos, pero papahabain ko na siya kasi, girl, no. I can't. Tantaba kasi ng siopaw ang mukha ko, diba? Thank you for following, Jules. Oh, ayan. Wait, hold on. Guys, any questions about working from home, i-comment nyo na lang sa most recent video ko para masagot ko later on pagising ko. Meron pa po ba kayong class on Feb? Oo naman, Julie, meron pa. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Dadagdagan natin ng dadagdagan. Yung magsasara lang is yung for February na top VIP. So, pagka na-fill na yung spots, yung natitirang 15 spots, automatic, ano na yan, for March na class na. Mabilis kasi maubos ang classes namin. Like, for example, ano ba yung mga, Reva, alam ko magkuklose ng Reva. Tapos, legal, ang dami na rin nag-enroll na legal, pero next week pa siya. Meron po ba kayong class ng, anong class B? Pag pumunta kayo sa link sa bio ko, makikita nyo open classes. Pag clinic nyo yung pangalan ng class, makikita nyo doon kung kailan yung schedule niya. And I think plotted na almost all of our classes for the next 3 months. Okay guys, I need to go na talaga. Overtime na tayo ng 2 minutes. Pero I'll try and go live ulit later on. And also pala, may utang pa ako na na live sa Facebook kasi may mga ipapag-giveaway na ako na yung for holidays at saka yung sa top VIP at saka yung sa may headset ako na ipapamigay. Ano pa ba? Ito. Ngayon ko lang nakuha sa yan, ipapamigay ko tong headset na to. Baliktad pala yan. What else? So, pag hindi pa kayo naka-follow sa Facebook ko, pumunta na kayo, Vlog ni Mary din lang yon. Thank you so much for joining me sa live natin ngayong madaling araw talaga dahil. At yung mga naka-off shift pa, mag-enjoy kayo, mabuhay kayo hanggang gusto nyo. Bye!